Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you make the most of your money in 2025. Today, we're tackling how to use the Upside app for gas, a fantastic tool that's perfect for cutting down on those rising fuel costs. If you're someone who drives a lot and wants to earn cash back on every fill up, this app is about to become your new best friend. Let's dive right in. First off, what is the Upside app? It's a free rewards app that partners with gas stations, grocery stores, and restaurants to give you cash back on everyday purchases. In 2025, it's even better with updated features like personalized offers and seamless integration with your favorite payment methods. To get started, head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and download the Upside app. It's quick and easy, taking less than a minute. Once you've got it installed, open the app and create an account. You'll need to enter your email, set a password, and verify your phone number. Don't skip this step because it's how you'll link your payment methods, like your debit or credit card, to start earning rewards. Now, the fun part: finding deals. Use the app's map feature to locate nearby gas stations that partner with Upside. In 2025, the app uses advanced location tech to show you real-time offers, so you can pick the best one for your route. Before you head out, activate the offer in the app. It's as simple as tapping a button. This locks in your cashback rate, which can be anywhere from 10 to 25 cents per gallon, depending on the promotion. When you arrive at the station, just pump your gas as usual and pay with the linked card. Upside automatically tracks your purchase and credits your account with the cashback, usually within 24 hours. A few pro tips to maximize your savings. Check the app daily for limited time bonuses, combine it with other rewards programs, and redeem your earnings once they hit $10 or more. It's that straightforward. By 2025, with inflation on the rise, using Upside could save you hundreds on gas alone. There you have it, folks, a simple guide to saving on gas with the Upside app. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Drive safe and save big. See you in the next video.